One of the very important MIDI articulations tools is mod wheel. So the mod wheel, and we already went through this one, as a control, we can map this mod wheel to affect anything we want inside the synthesizer, let's say inside Serum. So we could make that mod wheel affect anything inside the synth. And let's say in this example, we can make the mod wheel affect the filters cutoff positively. And now once we play something, let me just disable this velocity thing. Let's say like that. Like that. We can use this mod wheel while playing and performing to actually change a certain parameter that we map to. And being good for performance is not one of the main things, so we can use the same parameter in MIDI. So let me show you that. Let's say I had a certain melody right there. I'm going to create a new MIDI clip. Double click it. Something like this. So I'm going to duplicate this note. Make this a major kind of melody like that. Okay. So we could actually draw this modulation wheel control, as you see it, it's all the way down, like this. So I can draw that in, so put it irregularly, okay, and I could actually show you that it actually moves following those lines. So let's see that. Of course, for all of this, I can also record the automation, but we will get to that in lessons to come. So recording automation for MIDI articulations is also possible. An important reason why this parameter of mod wheel is introduced as one of the main modulations is that it's right there next to your keyboard where you play, so that it serves you to modulate whatever you need while being able to perform, to play the keyboard actually. It was built in from the beginning into the earliest versions of synthesizers, so you had that option as modulation for the sound. Ever since then, it's a standard thing on synthesizers, so you always have the mod wheel, and we still use it to this day, not just for performance, but also inside the piano roll.